Drive-through. I think I can see why real estate's cheap. Think what?
I can see it as well.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on 23rd Street, then take the first right. Turn left on 23rd Street, then take the first right.
It's a real town.
Turn left on 18th Street.
Tell me about the real estate.
Some of the cheaper real estate. It's got the cleanest drinking water in the state, according to the State Water Board. It's got a museum here about they have a frontier prison. They have a museum here for law enforcement. It's all wrapped up in plastic. It seems like all the best real estate prices are in West Wyoming. We're not so far west, but you know, it's a town of a decent size. Gas is $1.07 a gallon cheaper than Eureka.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on 3rd Street.
Downtown's to the right, right?
In 1/4 mile, turn right on 3rd Street.
Downtown. Okay, this doesn't look much of a downtown. Church. That's a nice house. Post office, Chamber of Commerce, Depot Park. Report. Newspaper.
Turn left on West Cedar Street.
That's a neat little building. Here we go, downtown. This is kind of cute. You must have had a street fair or something, yeah. Oh God, man, you're gonna have to have someone take a look at those brakes.
I guess so. I thought we had.
Big Bird. Library. Graphic Sports.
Yeah, he checked out everything. He didn't mention the brakes.
Nope. And I asked him to look at the brakes too, as far as what they can without taking
In
it
2
apart.
1/4 miles, take the ramp ahead to I-80 East.
Wonder what the frontier prison's like.
Huh.
It should be in the left lane, actually. go to the old town right there. That's the one way, the wrong way.
Turn left on West Front Street, then take the first left.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Turn right on 3rd Street, then take the first right.
The train station back there looks kind of neat.
Turn right on West Cedar Street.
Well, as long as the brakes work. Wonder what the difference is between a Wyoming frontier prison and a Wyoming territorial prison.
Turn right on West Buffalo Street, then take the first right.
What? I feel that, son.
Turn right on West Pine Street, then take the first right. Turn right on West Spruce Street, then take the first right.
I'm not going to go all the way down to where the prison is. I was hoping it was closer. Deaf child area. Interesting.
Turn right on 2nd Street.
See, I mean, look at the houses. I haven't seen any that say they're for sale, though. You get a nice shady spot. Big yard.
Turn right
Yeah,
on
that's
Wyoming
nice.
Street. Turn right on Utah Street.
Bunch of mobiles.
Do they have tornadoes out here?
I don't know. I suspect they're rare.
Turn right on Parchman Street, then take the third left.
They're the first ones here, he said. I guess I got some buddies on bikes who are following. It's kind of a dumpy little place. Full hookups. Hang out here. Airport. They even have their own airport and golf course.
Turn left on East Cedar Street.
I don't know why he didn't want to use his turn signal. Filler.
In 1.5 miles, take the ramp ahead to I-80 East.
It's a bit of a community. Cheaper gas. hot. It's got everything you need. As long as you can find shade, protection from the snow. Burger King. Okay.
Why are we going?
And that about does it.